Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how students can use Evernote to stay organized and improve their study routine. Evernote is a powerful note-taking app that helps students keep all their study materials in one place. Let's get started. First, open Evernote and create a new note. You can use a separate note for each subject, class, or project. Giving every note a clear title makes it much easier to find later. Next, open the Insert menu. Here you'll find useful tools that can help you while studying. You can create a new task to keep track of homework, assignments, or upcoming exams. This helps you remember what needs to be completed. You can also use Link to Note to connect related notes together. For example, if you have notes for different chapters of the same subject, you can easily link them for quick access. Another useful feature is Voice Note. If you don't want to type, you can record your ideas, lecture summaries, or important reminders using your voice. You'll also find the Mention a Date option. This can help you organize important study dates, assignment deadlines, or exam schedules so you don't forget them. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the Notes section where all of your notes are stored. This makes it easy to review your study materials whenever you need them. You can also open the Reminders section to keep track of important assignments, quizzes, projects, and exam dates. Using reminders helps you stay on schedule and avoid missing deadlines. By organizing your notes, tasks, voice recordings, and reminders in one place, Evernote becomes a great study companion. Whether you're taking class notes, planning your homework, or preparing for exams, Evernote makes studying more organized and efficient. And that's how students can use Evernote for school, college, or university. It's simple, easy to use, and helps you stay productive every day. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Evernote tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.